And meanwhile, our neighbors in western Colorado continue trying to rebuild after two natural disasters. Now we know President Donald Trump is denying the state's request for federal disaster relief. Back in August, the Elk and Lee fires burned in Rio Blanco County, scorching more than 150,000 acres. Then in October, severe flooding swept through La Plata and Archuleta counties following a tropical storm. If the governor's request had been granted, it would have unlocked FEMA funding to help these communities recover, but they were not. Instead, both requests were denied. Now, the White House sent me a statement. It says in part that the president responds to each request, quote, with great care and consideration, ensuring American tax dollars are used appropriately and efficiently by the states to supplement, not substitute, their obligation to respond to and recover from disasters. Today, Governor Jared Polis issued a statement saying in part, I call on the president's better angels and urge him to reconsider these requests. This is about the Coloradans who need this support, and we won't stop fighting for them to get what they deserve. The state will be appealing the president's decision.